Skoda Auto is expanding its RS family to include another all-electric model, the ENYAQ RS IV. Just like the ENYAQ COUPÉ RS IV, the Czech carmaker has opted for two motors with a total system output of 295 horsepower and all-wheel drive for the top version of the SUV. Thanks to an exceptional drag coefficient, the ENYAQ RS IV has a range of over 311 miles. The ENYAQ RS IV's dynamic appearance, with sport suspension as standard, large 20 or 21-inch wheels and distinctive RS features, makes it instantly recognizable as an RS model. Skoda says the ENYAQ RS IV needs 6.5 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour from a standstill en route to an electronically governed 112 miles per hour. It carries over the 82 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that can be charged at DC fast charging points at up to 135 kilowatts, in which case it takes 36 minutes to go from 10 to 80%. Skoda has spruced up the interior with sportier seats featuring greater lateral support and built-in headrests. Suede fabric in black is used for the seats and dashboard, where green stitching provides a contrasting effect. The ENYAQ IV RS will go on sale next year to build on an already commercial success for Skoda, as more than 100,000 units of the electric SUV have been sold since the model's launch in 2020.